hot and sunny annuals.
I like it. Hot and sunny.
Hot and sunny.
Right.
Number 1, lantana.
Yes, love lantana.
It's probably the best for the sun and dry conditions. Many colors, but they can develop woody stems, and some of them are trailing and some of them are upright.
Okay.
So take your pick. They can get up to 18 inches tall. Then next is portulaca or moss rose or purslane, all of those. They are yellow, kind of a succulent foliage on them. They're short, yellow, oranges, reds, whites, pinks, very bright colors. They stay short, about 6 inches tall, so they can kind of spill over the edge of a container, but they can take the heat in the sun. Good. Celosia next. Bright colors, yellows, reds, oranges, hot pinks. They're great, they love everything, but they self-seed.
Yes.
So they can become a nuisance, but some people love them. Yeah. So they're very easy to grow.
Yeah, I've grown those all over. Yeah, they're good.
And next, marigolds. Marigolds, yellows, whites, and reds, oranges, easy to grow from seed. One of the last, they bloom all summer long, and they are one of the last of my flowers to die in the frost. Oh. So I really like them. Easy to grow.
I didn't know that.
They stay around 12 inches. Next are zinnias, many bright colors and combinations of colors. There are small ones that only get about 8, 10 inches tall, and they get up to over 2 feet tall. Yeah. So there's many different kinds, easy to grow, love the sun. Then there's vinca or periwinkle. Yeah. Nice, some are spreading varieties, there's upright varieties. Color range is usually white, pinks, and reds. Many of them may need supplemental fertilizer and or iron during the season. But the most important thing to remember about planting these, even though people love them and they are easy to grow, is don't put the same plant there every year. Vinca, if planted in the ground every year in the same spot, can develop phytophthora fungal blight in the soil. And we do not need that in your soil, because then you won't be able to plant vinca again. So we don't do it. Rotate your annuals just like you do your vegetable crop.